Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to get more gems fast in Travel Town, so you can unlock premium buildings, speed up upgrades, and keep your town growing without getting stuck waiting. First off, complete daily quests. These often reward a few gems every day, so make sure you log in and finish them regularly. Next, open the gift wheel every few hours. You'll sometimes land on gem rewards. Just spin it whenever it's available. Here's a pro tip. Finish neighborhood missions and tasks. Completing entire districts often gives bonus gems as a reward for finishing all required builds. Don't miss out on limited time events. Many of them offer extra gems just for logging in or completing simple building challenges. Also collect from high-tier buildings regularly. Some premium structures give small gem bonuses along with coins and other resources. So should you feel low on gems? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, play smart, and keep upgrading your town like a pro. Let me know in the comments how many gems you usually get per day and which method gives you the most. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.